Yo, that's freaky. If I put it to my tongue. Fuck, I lit the fucking camera. It's so creepy.